Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says find the set K where the function, hopefully f of x, is not differentiable. So, they have given you a function f of x equals sine mod x minus mod x plus 2 times x minus pi cos mod x. So these guys are interested in finding the set K for which given function is not differentiable. Now, if you will observe this function, it is little bit complicated to draw the graph of this function. So what we will do, we will focus on mathematical way. Okay. So mathematically, how we used to approach? First, we used to check its continuity at critical point. If it is not continuous, 100% it is not differentiable at that point. Suppose it is continuous. Now what you will do? Continuous means what? LHL equals to RHL equals to F of A. Suppose it is continuous. Now you have to check your differentiability idea. So check LHD and check RHD at the critical point. If both comes out to be equal, this means given function is differentiable. If it is not equal and finite, it is not differentiable. Okay. If you'll observe, this is sine function and sine function is continuous everywhere. X function, x is continuous everywhere. Linear function is continuous everywhere. Trigonometric function, it is also continuous at every point. The problem we are facing means we are interested in finding critical point. Critical point means you are trying to find out the point at which you are having doubt. Now look at this modulus function. You know that modulus function is having problem at the vertex. So this modulus function, everywhere it is using x, so it will become 0 at x equals to 0. So 0 is the critical point. Okay. So we have to check differentiability at x equals to 0 only. So first we will check its continuity. Okay. Now continuity. For continuity, what I will do, I will derive two functions. Means I'll focus on x greater than equal to 0. So f of x will look like whom? It will look like sine x positive, so doesn't affect, minus x plus 2 times x minus pi, and cos positive is okay. This is cos x. Okay. Now x is less than 0. X is less than 0. So in place of x, you have to put minus x. Okay. So sine of minus x will become minus sine x. This thing will become plus x. Okay. Now it doesn't affect. So plus 2 times x minus pi, and cos minus x is nothing but cos x. Correct? Now, you know that for LHL and f of a, you will be using this definition. Sorry, RHL and f of a, you will be using this definition. So, I'll be using, so RHL equals to f of 0 is equal to sine 0, 0, this 0, 0, and this thing will become what? If you'll substitute, this thing is 0, this thing is 0, and you know x is 0, so it is minus, cos 0 is 1, so it is minus 2 pi. Correct? So minus 2 pi. Now LHL. For LHL, you will be using this definition. So again sine 0, 0, this is 0, cos 0 is 1, so it is again minus 2 pi. Minus 2 pi. So clearly given function is continuous at x equals to 0. Now you have to check its differentiability. All, like, if it is not continuous now, you have only doubt at x equals to 0, so you will say, sir, this function is having problem at x equals to 0, it is not differentiable there. But it is continuous, so you have to check its differentiability. In differentiability, what you have to do, you have to go with RHD. Okay, now you have to check RHD. So RHD means you will take the after function and you will differentiate. So f dash x. So f dash x, sine will become cos x will become minus 1. Now we will keep this function as it is, 2x minus pi, cos will become minus sine. Okay, now we will keep 2 cos x as it is, we will differentiate this function, so it is 1. Okay, now what you have to do, you are checking differentiability at x equals to 0, so you will substitute x equals to 0. So if x equals to 0, cos 0 is 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0. Sine 0 is 0, so it will make everything else 0. Cos 0 is 1, so it will become 2. So you got RHD as 2. Correct? Now focus on LHD. You are checking differentiability at x equals to 0. So for LHD, you will be using this definition. So it is minus of cos x plus 1, and then you will do the differentiation of this component. It is 2x minus pi minus sin x, and then 2 cos x. Now we will substitute x equals to 0, so cos equals to 0, so it is 1, so it is minus 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0. This is 0, it will make everything else 0. So it is again 2. So LHD is also, so we got LHD as 2 and RHD is 2. So can I say that, sir, LHD equals to RHD equals to finite. Therefore, the function is differentiable at x equals to 0. So can I say that the given function, like we are interested in finding what? K, set K, for which the function is not differentiable. So we guys are having doubt at only one point. At that point also it is coming out to be differentiable. So can I say that set K is phi, as it is differentiable everywhere? Okay, so given function is continuously differentiable at all the points. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.